I'm gonna do a quick video on how to change the batteries here on your TurboLock. It's a digital TurboLock. But what you want to do is open the door and look on the back side. You'll see two Phillips head screws. Just get your Phillips head screwdriver and take these two screws out. It's really simple to do, and you don't want to over tighten anything. Like I'm taking these out. Once you take it out, you just slowly pull this cover off. And it don't take long, probably about 5 minutes to do this, replace it. So take the cover off, and your battery is right here in this black thing. I got some tape on there because mine was sliding back and forth. I just secured it a little bit with the tape. You don't have to, but I did. It's just some electrical tape or duct tape. So you just slide it forward and pull this off, and get you a screwdriver or a knife. If you got fingernails, you can pull these batteries out easy. It's just like changing the batteries in any toys or anything. So these right here are AAA batteries, the small AAA batteries. It takes two of them. So once you take the battery out, you want to replace them with brand new batteries. Do not put used batteries in here. As you can see, this is AAA batteries. And I've had these batteries in here for probably a year, year and a half. I hadn't changed them in a while. So you see, I'm putting the negative part on the spring and I'm pushing it in. I'm gonna take this negative part right here and I'm gonna push it on the spring and it pops right in there. Then what you wanna do is just get your cover and put it back on. As you can see, it shows you the direction, the arrow pointing to the right. So you just slide those little slots in and you see how it slides back and forth. That's the reason why I put that tape on, because I just want to secure it a little better. And I've had this in here for probably a year and a half. I never had to change the battery in a while. So once you put the new batteries in, and you can check it and make sure it lights up on the side, but I know these batteries are good, so make sure you line the holes up. Once everything's lined up, as you can see, mine is vertical. My holes are at the 6 and 12 o'clock position. And you just put the screws back in. And once you get the screws back in, that's it. It's pretty simple to do. And make sure you don't over tighten these screws. I know a lot of people like to put a lot of torque on these. It doesn't take much, because what you can end up doing is just messing your threads up or stripping your threads out. And then you will have another problem. So just snug it tight. Don't put too much strength into it. As you can see what I'm doing, just a little snug right there. That's it. So that's all to it. So now I'm gonna just check it, see if everything works. So I'm good for another year and a half. All right, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.